Hello my friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you're all fine. In today's video I'm going to introduce you my homemade Bluetooth speakers. There are a lot of videos on YouTube how to make Bluetooth speakers. Also I have some videos on my channel about making homemade Bluetooth speakers. So it's going to be a very short video. I'm just going to show you my some of my homemade Bluetooth speakers and I am going to just test it and introduce you. So I want you to write under the comment section which one did you like the most, which Bluetooth speaker did you like the most, and which one is your favorite. So let's start. First of all, let me introduce this one. This is my one channel 5-watt Bluetooth speakers. As you see, I have one speaker here and one passive radiator here. This is a very nice, very beautiful Bluetooth speakers. There's an holding part here. You can just carry the speaker very easily. You see, this is the first one, and this is my second Bluetooth speaker. You can also charge this one and this one with a phone charger. This is 2-channel 5-watt, and this is also a very strong Bluetooth speaker. There's a passive radiator here, and this is my second Bluetooth speaker. And here is the third one, maybe my favorite one. This is 2-channel. Each channel was 15 watt, and there are 2 passive radiator here, as you see. 2 passive radiator here. You can also charge this Bluetooth speaker with your mobile phone charger, and it has a very nice, very clear and powerful sound. And the third one, this is one of the bigger Bluetooth speaker, 2-channel again, and one tweeter here. This is mid-range, and tweeter. You need to charge this Bluetooth speaker with a special lithium-ion battery charger. This is about 20 watt, 10 watt, and 10 watt. So it has a very great, very clear and powerful sound. This is my another Bluetooth speaker. As you see, there is no passive radiator here. There's a just port for air, uh, out for air. There's a port here, and here is another one. This is also my homemade Bluetooth speaker. This is 60 watt, very powerful homemade Bluetooth speaker. You can just charge here, charge the speaker from here. It also has a very great sound, very powerful sound. And the other one I have here, this Bluetooth speaker, 2-channel. Each channel is 30 watt, as you see. And also there is a big passive radiator here. When you just push in the passive radiator, as you see, it's completely airtight, and you can charge this Bluetooth speaker from here. It also has a great sound, very powerful sound. And the last one and the biggest one I have here, another Bluetooth speaker. It's a very nice case, and you see you can charge the speaker from here, and there's an turn on, turn off switch here. It has 2-channel. Each channel is 50 watt, and it has also a very great, very powerful sound, very clear. You can use this Bluetooth speaker at your home to listen very nice, very clear music. Now I am going to test each of them very shortly, and I want you to choose your favorite one, my friends. So my friends, first of all, I am going to test this one as I am at home and I couldn't turn up the music very loudly. So just I'm going to test it with 40% of music level. So let's start and test it. Okay, now I'm going to test the other one. Just turn it on. Let's turn it up a little bit. Now I am going to test this one. And lastly, I'm going to just test my monster, my huge Bluetooth speaker. Okay, my friends, we get the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to write under the section, comment section, which one is your favorite Bluetooth speaker. And if you want to learn how to make these kinds of Bluetooth speakers, there are some videos on my channel. You can visit my channel and watch those videos. Take care of yourself. See you in the next videos, my friends.